Hi, this video I'll be discussing eligibility under the skilled worker in the province of Manitoba. In order for you to apply under this category, you need to demonstrate the province that you have an ongoing employer-employee relationship. So what that means is that you have a full-time position in the province of Manitoba and have been working for that position for at least a minimum of 6 months. Keep in mind, self-employed individuals such as business owners, investors do not qualify under this category. Most people who apply under this category are individuals that reside in Manitoba either through an LMIA application or an ICT application, or a student that is then progressing into the PGW work permit can straight apply under Manitoba. If you have a PGW work permit and have been studying outside of Manitoba, in order for you to be eligible, you first have to work in that province for 6 months. Meaning if you were a student in Manitoba, you can apply directly, versus someone outside of the province would need to work in that province for 6 months before you become eligible. Keep in mind that there are individuals under the MPNP program that are not eligible. So if you are a refugee claimant and you have an open work permit, you cannot apply under this program. Live-in caregivers who now have an open work permit and can work with any employer also do not qualify. And of course, if you are on an open work permit outside of the province of Manitoba, you're also not eligible for this. So essentially, if you want to become eligible, you need to contact a Manitoba employer. They would have to do an LMIA for you. You should work for them for a minimum of 6 months and then transition into the Provincial Nominee Program for Manitoba. If you have any questions about this route, please give us a call today. Thank you, and until next time.